Dear student, this is Mr. Abdul Halim, assistant teacher in English from Patadakwara High School. Today I give you some information. The poorest girl in our country. Already I have written the story of Lipi. The year before last, Lipi, a 14-year-old girl, was in class 9 in rural school in Rangpur. Lipi is the eldest of 5 children. Lipi is the eldest of 5 children. Dear student, 3 daughters and 2 brothers. 3 daughters and 2 brothers. Their father is a day laborer. Their father is a day laborer and their mother is a homemaker. And she works in a part-time of others' house. The parents, particularly Lipi's father, particularly Lipi's mother, found it real difficult to raise 5 children on the small income of the father could them. My dear student, 80% of people in our country are poor. They live from hand to mouth. Same as their student, perhaps that Lipi's father wanted to marry of her. Lipi's father wanted to marry of her, but Lipi was not ready. At this moment. Lipi wanted to impose. Her parents wanted to impose on her. She wanted to pursue her education. Lipi wanted to pursue her education. Lipi wanted to continue her education. But what a bad luck. She wanted to read and write, but his father wanted to deprive of her dream. Dear student, her mother, Lipi's mother, stood her silently. When her father wanted to, or when her father arranged her marriage with Taramia. Taramia was illiterate, the only son of a widower, only son of a landlord person in the same place. She became greatly upset. Lipi was greatly upset. Taramia was a widower, illiterate, black, but oil of his father had a few acres of arable land and was an influential farmer in the place. The marriage seems to be inevitable. Dear student, Lipi first talked with her classmates. The problem of her classmate, and then he discussed with the head teacher. The head teacher was so much sympathetic. The head teacher was so much brilliant. The head teacher called a meeting. The head teacher called a meeting of teachers, students, and managing committee. He also invited the school managing committee members and some respectable person of this area. My dear student, the head teacher explained and in details the serious, tremendous consequence that would follow Lipi's marriage. she would be having children from very early age, 15 or 16. We know Bangladesh is a small country, huge population. Bangladesh is a small country and huge population. My dear student, it would create constant hazard, constant health hazard to her. Her education, overall, Lipi's education would stop. Dear student, upon her marriage against her will, not only that, might shatter her future dream. At one stage, at the same time, Taramia's father stood up and tried to argue. Listen, all my members, you are all making mistakes. Lipi would be very happy if she got married with Taramia, the only son of mine. She would have everything. Money, clothes, home, status, or so forth in the society. Why are you trying to deprive of this opportunity? But no, a big majority person who attended the meeting supported the head teacher. Lipi's marriage was called off. She is now studying. Dear student, my dear student, I also give you some information. About Lipi. Actually, Lipi was upset when he heard the news of her marriage. But the head teacher, managing committee, respectable person, all of our classmates or friends support Lipi. It is high time, all of the country, all of the students, all of the respectable person or teachers or prominent or prolific person should come forward to stop early marriage. We know if we stop this system, we can get some good opportunity. We can easily say about this. Stop early marriage, save life, save country, save our future nation. I want to give you, my dear student, also some information. We live in an area. We have to do something for our society. First of all, we should strongly prohibit early marriage, untimely marriage, and then we have to give some information, the importance of education. Every student goes to education to acquire knowledge, and in timely should marry off. Otherwise, our country will be fail in danger. Now, Lipi is studying at Carmichael College, Rangpur. Friend circles, teachers, respectable person and managing committee, all of the persons come forward to and solve that. Now, Lipi's dreams will be. Lipi's dream will be Dear student, as a student of class 9, you have to do something for society, for your family, or for your country. Actually, as a teacher, I give you, you have to follow some good things. First of all, you have to follow the topics of the Lipi story. Now Lipi prays for Allah. And Lipi will be happy, we hope. Dear student, already I have written some keywords. Rural, sympathetic, illiterate, accept, homemaker, opportunity, marriage, shut up, upset, pursue, dominate, secretly. Who is Lipi? Lipi is a student of class 9. My dear student, what is the condition of Lipi's family? Lipi's family's condition was not good. Lipi's father was a poor farmer and works of others' land, and Lipi's mother is a homemaker and works part-time others' house. Dear student, how does she overcome the problems? Friend circle, teachers, managing committee, and all respectable persons rescue of her. Who is the major character of the story? Obviously, Lipi is the major character of this story. My dear student, we have to know the bad effect of early marriage or untimely marriage. It is high time to stop this malpractice or bad practice in our society for our better or more better our country. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.